How am I taking a small account and making sure it's not so small anymore, but with minimal risk? This is the One Contract Challenge. What's up, everyone? Today we are trading Googl, Googl. And again, I like contracts like this because you can get them between $1 and $1.50, which is the rule for the One Contract Challenge. And even though it's a single contract, they can move pretty well. So let's take a look at another successful One Contract Challenge trade. Now, I've got this shadow box up here. It would have been a great short once we got into it and rejected, but I wasn't watching it there. I was watching it here once it formed this trend line, and it was solid support, solid support. It wicked, it became support. So I was looking to see if it would break below this level here. It did, and I didn't catch it there. So I wanted to wait for a retrace, but it had a 2-candle retrace, didn't quite get all the way up there before a red candle came in. So that's where I entered. Target was just the whole number of 379. So as we approached it, you can see I got out there. You can also see it's currently almost a full point below that. So if I held on to these contracts even longer, this would have been a great trade for a small account. However, single contract challenge, I was very conservative. This one is a $50 gain, 37% in only 11 minutes. So again, building a small account responsibly. The rules are the contract has to be between $1 and $1.50, and you don't want to take on extreme risk with like an SPX or a Tesla. So things I like for this are going to be SPY, Google, Amazon, maybe even a Microsoft, maybe an Apple. Those are all contracts you can get relatively inexpensive that will still move. You can see we're trying to go towards LOD over here, so it's still on the way down, but I did close this out. 37% gain in 11 minutes. That is how you build a small account conservatively, safely, minimizing risk.